Oops, wrong.
Good.
Mm. Straight lang ah. That one. The Oops. Hey, very good. Next.
Yeah.
Mm. Mm. Pinipilit ko kasi. Wrong kasi. That one. Oh, very good. Oh. Letter A. A. Ooh. Oh. D. Oh, very good. Next.
Oopsie.
Next song.
That.
Next level, please.
Okay.
Mm.
Huh?
Mm. Very good.
The one.
Oh, that one. Letter D. Oh, letter B. Oh, yay! Galing talaga ni Mia. Very good talaga si Mia.
I win. Win.
You win?
Who?
Oops. Up, up! Hmm. Wrong!
Wrong.
Wrong na, wala na yung letter B, baby. Wrong, 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 wrong. Si Mia ay wrong. Like that. And this one. No, like this one. This one. No, the other side. The other side. The other side. That one. Oh, the other side. Very good. Yay. Next level, please.
Okay.
Next level, please. Oh. C. Wrong. Oh, deep one. A. Oops. Again. Down, down. No, down. Wrong.
No.
Down. Letter B. C. Oh. Wrong. Pinipilit niya kasi tama na yan. Letter D, baby.
Mahirap pag may letter. Mas
Eh,
kanina
ina na
madali
niya.
color lang eh.
Ina na yan letter eh.
Kinostomize na kasi.
Tama na kasi kanina eh. Oh. Pinipilit niya. Ayan, very good. Oh.
Tinatamad.
Tinatamad ka na eh.
Ayan
No.
Wag mo na siya, Jonathan. Alam mo naman yan. Oh.
Tinatad na kasi.
There.
There. Oh, letter A. Oh. Wrong.
Yay.
No, not yay. Oh.
Don't
Oh.
know.
No. This one like that. Like that. Oh. Diba? Very good. Ikaw talaga, oh. Oh!
Ilan naman?
Tagal ah.
Nakaganyan kasi siya.
Like this, baby. Alright. Mia, that's pa da. Wala na, tinamad na. Enough na.
I-customize natin.